Hello.
Hi guys.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. Before we start, I want to thank everyone who's been following us, sending us messages, giving us love. We really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if this is your first time being here, hello. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the holographic Siser HTV. Okay. The one that we chose is actually the one that has like a pinkish bluish tone. I chose that one because I thought the colors are very lovely and I thought it would look nice with pastels.
Mm-hmm.
According to the directions on Siser, it does not necessarily recommend that you use it on a dark color, but I have used it on a dark green and I thought it looked beautiful. I thought it was a nice contrast.
That's true.
So I did the test on lilac, which I'll show you at the end, but today I'm going to be doing the test on a blue canvas bag.
Okay.
Yes. And we're going to see if it's just as beautiful, because with these HTVs, sometimes you can't tell because it's nice to
put them on.
Exactly.
Yes. Sometimes they get a little bit like matte, color, like, but I don't think this is what's going to happen.
I think this is going to be perfect.
Holographic.
Exactly. So there's no more need to talk. Let's just get to it. All right. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do before I start anything is actually just remove some of this fuzz from the canvas bag. Where did I buy this canvas bag from? I'll put the source down. I think I bought it at one of those places like canvasbags.com in case somebody asks. And I decided it was canvas bag.
No, I don't think it's canvas.
It sounds right, but I'm not sure that that's what it is. Anyway, I just had a canvas place, but I did purchase it a very long time ago at this point, like 5 years ago. So I don't even know if they would still have that color. But they did have other colors. So this one is nice because it's not one of the ones that are too thick. It's nice and thin, and it's just a nice weight. So what I'm going to do once I remove the lint is I want to put the design, which is this tiny goat. I'm going to just show you it on this side so you have a better idea and you can see it. It's a tiny goat. And the reason I chose a goat is because my sign is Capricorn, and my sign in the Chinese astrology as well is the goat. And so I just thought it was on brand that I would use a goat. I'm not a big astrology person, but for this, I was like, you know what? It's a sign. And I want to place it about here in the middle, because afterwards, I'd like to do maybe some more work around, like patchwork around with other vinyls. And I think that this is a good starting point. So I'm just going to go back a sec to make sure, now that I actually know where I'm going to put it, and just remove some lint. I'm going to press it now for about 3 seconds.
Yeah, 3 seconds is good.
Right?
Yes.
And the temperature that we're going to use is 320. When we're going to actually press, it's going to be 320 for 20 seconds. But for now, I'm just going to keep it at the 320. Press it for 3 seconds. Okay. And it's nice and smooth.
Super nice.
Right?
So soft.
So this is something, I don't know how people use HTV, but me, I always feel like the little scraps of HTV can be used or salvaged. I'm going to use them. So this was the flower that was inside, and I just put it outside. But the reason I'm able to do this is also because I did a test after last time I used the HTV to see if I could do this without the carrier sheet, if it would still work. Because some HTVs, once you remove the carrier sheet, you can no longer use them. But in this case, I was just like, look at this cute little flower. It's so cute. Like, I want to use it. And then also I want to use this as a crown. And so I did. And I'm going to see. I know it's going to come out. I just don't know how it's going to come out next to the design. Actually, it looks like...
So basically what you're saying is that this, let's say this part,
exactly,
that you weed out.
I weeded it
You
out.
use the weeded part.
Exactly.
And you put it here.
I put it on top like a crown. Exactly.
And then... So you can see.
Like this.
So this part was here.
Exactly.
And you move it here. And the flower
was here. It was there. So I put them around.
So you're using the things...
Exactly. Okay, and so I just think that if you can, like, I don't know for other people, but regardless of anything, when you weed it out, it's going to go to the garbage, and it's still vinyl and it's still usable for a lot of it. And I just look at it as like a sustainable way of using your vinyl. The more you can use, then the better. So I'm putting my piece here, my tiny goat here. And our machine doesn't have a timer. So we're going to put the timer on the telephone.
So it's 20 seconds.
Yes, 20 seconds.
Okay.
At 320. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the pressure,
Oh, I'm sorry.
should have been medium. And see, there's a line here.
It's because we're the...
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's still cold.
It's peel cold. Yeah, it's peel cold. So I'm going to wait for it to come. So I'll be back when it's cold. Okay, so I opened the machine, I took it out, and then I put it on the table to cool down because it was peel cold and I completely forgot. So here we are.
Oof, so nice.
I'm going to turn it for y'all like this.
So nice. Oh, the tiny goat.
I know, nice. It's so cute.
And the flowers, they are stained.
The flowers are adorbs.
Wow.
This is so cute. So this is actually very funny. Let's show another angle. So this is actually very funny because I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Yes, I'm going to wait for it to focus. Okay, there is a line here and there is a line on top here, right? I'm not sure you could see it, but there are two lines where the carrier sheet was incomplete, and I put the basically I had cut the carrier sheet, and then I put the piece of holographic HTV in that area. So if you were to do that, I think you should still keep some of the carrier sheet or not place it under the carrier sheet, because the tiny flower that was not under the carrier sheet came out perfectly. And in my test last time, it also did so. So I'm gonna.
So you can actually use the design and the weeded part
of it, which is awesome.
Yeah.
And it looks like this, and I'm gonna slowly bring it to the camera.
Yeah, you have to go like this so it looks we can appreciate. There you go.
Oh, with the goat. So adorable.
So nice.
And I absolutely love it. It's very cute. Of course, it's like easier to see when you're in person. And these type of things always make me laugh because they make me think of like being a kid and having all those cool clothes that we had when we were children,
so cool,
that we don't see as adults so much. But I'm very happy with the result. It's very cute. And I'm going to show it to you on the lilac. If you could grab it to see the difference, because this looks like it has bluish tones. And, there's a little bit of noise, but that's okay. And this is the lilac. And because it has lilac tone to it, it picked up the lilac very well, I find.
Yes. I like it more on the lilac.
Yeah, me too.
Because the blue is not like, I don't know, maybe the vinyl is a little bit translucent.
And the lilac, it's lilac, exactly.
Yeah, so that's why.
So it makes it a little bit of a difference with color. So of course, if you're going to use a dark color, you're just going to see like a shape on a dark color. But I think
this one is super nice too.
That the closer you are in the holographic to the actual color, the more you see it. But it's for more tests. Okay, so I mean,
but the test is that it's about the holographic and it works perfectly.
Exactly.
Super nice.
I really like this. I recommend it. And I also recommend, there's a lot of people doing videos, no shade on people doing videos that do very simple things with holographic. I think if you can, and if you find a shape, the only thing is the weeding is annoying. But if you find something that's cool that you could do, I think try it. Why not? Because that's what we have the vinyl for. And if you're gonna write a word and it's holographic, cool. But like I wrote words here, but if you have something, an image, and it could be something that's cool, a nice vector or a nice image that you turn into something.
Yeah,
try it.
Or combine them.
Or combine
your
them
holographic with something
exactly.
else.
Try it. Cool. I think it has a lot of potential.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. Right?
Wait, I'm going. Let's go.
We're going. We are going now.
Oh.
And so thank you for watching. If this video brought you any value at all, please
like and subscribe.
Yes. And that's it. We shall see you next time. All right. Thanks. Bye.